Hello, this is our health project. Actually, we have already discussed about the panel. Basically, it has admin panel, clinic panel, doctor panel, and the patient panel. We had discussed about the admin panel. Now here we are going to discuss about the clinic panel. The username for the clinic panel is clinic1 and the password is test1234. This is the dashboard for the clinic panel. Actually, what is the clinic panel? Clinic panel can create the various types of subclinic. He can also create the doctor application. He can also create the staff application, and he can also provide the doctor to the subclinic, and he can provide the schedule to the particular subclinic, which will show at the front panel of the patient. Now here we are going to describe each and every option. The first option is clinic schedule, another one is clinic doctor, another is doctor, then permission, then staff, then clinic, then profile. The first one is profile. We will create, we will click on the profile button. This is the dashboard of the profile. Actually, by using this option we can create the various types of profile like receptionist, manager, clinic, compounder, everything, and we can update or delete that particular profile by using these actions. Another option is permission. By using the permission we can provide the different types of permission to the profile. Actually, here the permission, actually we have already discussed about the permission concept in the admin panel. Suppose a particular admin wants to provide some permission to the clinic, then here only that permission will show. Suppose if I select receptionist, then all the permission which I have provided to that receptionist which will be clicked. I can update. Suppose I deselect the update and click on the submit button, then the permission will be updated. Now the another option is, the first one is profile, another one is permission. Now we are going to discuss about the staff. Click on that staff. Staff means we can provide the profile to the user, and that user is known as the staff for that clinic. Suppose I want to provide, I can manage the receptionist by a particular user, then I will create a user that will known as a staff. Here the basic form for create the staff, like which profile I am going to provide that user, like receptionist, manager, the name of that per staff, the name of the username, password, phone number, email, and the profile image. These are the basic fields for create this staff. Another one is doctor, another one is clinic. By using the clinic option we can create the subclinic for that clinic admin. Click on the clinic. This is the basic form for create the subclinic, like clinic name, street number, street name, country, province, city, postal code, description, phone number, fax, email, profile image, logo. Basically it only the registration form for that clinic. And by using the view button we can view all the different types of subclinic which we have created under this clinic admin, like first clinic, second clinic. We can update or delete that clinic by using the action. Another one is doctor. Doctor application is being used for create their doctor by using this registration form. Again, it's the basic form like as name, username, password, license, degree, specialization, phone number, email, profile image, and we can view all the doctor by using this. Suppose if I want to provide the doctor to the clinic, then I will use the clinic doctor option. Click on the clinic doctor option. It has the basic search. Here I mentioned that search doctor by the name. Suppose I type D, then the D character, D keywords field all will be shown here, like first doctor, doctor 2, because it has the D character. If I press 2, then this show. If I press T, all the shows. If I press FGT, no data found. So this filter is being used for search the doctor by using the name. And if I want to provide that doctor to the my clinic, then I will use the add button. Here there are two types of option. First one is pin number, another one is color code. Pin number is being used for access this clinic admin or this clinic list to the doctor. Actually this concept will easily describe in the next video at the doctor panel. And by using the view button, all the listed of the doctor will show here with their pin number and the color code, and we can delete that doctor by using this button shift. Thank you. Now the last option is clinic schedule. By using the clinic schedule, here we can create the schedule for our subclinic, which will be shown at the patient panel. Suppose he is going to book our particular subclinic, then all the listed timing of that subclinic will be shown at that panel, and that listed time will be provided by using this calendar. First of all, I will select the template which will be created by the admin. I will select, suppose I select dummy one, and I select the first clinic and second clinic, in the sense that which type of clinic I am going to create that calendar. Suppose I am going to create the calendar for the first clinic. I will select the first clinic and provide the timing to it. I'll provide the timing by using this calendar, and by using the view button I can see all the calendar which I have created for my subclinic. Like I have created this week's schedule from 14th April to 20th April for the first clinic. I want to see it. Click on edit button, and this is our calendar for the subclinic, which will be shown at the panel of the patient when he is going to book his appointment with this clinic. Thank you.